horsepower Pacemaker 2-stage air compressor. This unit is an 80-gallon. Currently it is wired 220, but can also be wired 440. It has everything that you need to go. All you gotta do is just wire it into the wall. Right here is your adjusting valve to adjust your PSI on your high end and on your low end. Here's the starter box. So everything is in this unit to make it work. So all you have to do is just plumb your air line in, hook it to power, select your voltage, hook it to power, and you're ready to go. This over here, this was actually, we were using this as a backup shop compressor. So I just plugged this because this is where our air line went in. And here's just a secondary out so I can show you guys that the compressor works. There's also a drain on the bottom, so you can open this up. You can see a little bit of water comes out. Common for an air compressor. Let me go ahead and turn this on. Yep. Going up. Now the gauge is starting to move. We're getting closer to 50 psi. So right now this unit is set at 160 psi is where this one's set at. This air compressor has always been maintained. Oil's always been changed twice a year. It's in excellent shape. Like I said, this was a piece of shop equipment. Tank doesn't leak anything. It'll hold pressure overnight. I'll even drop the air pressure so you can see it'll kick back on. I want to say this one kicks back on when it reaches about 120. can see this unit just recovered in no time. This is our 80-gallon pacemaker air compressor.